after a long conversations, what you will suggest for the beginners for their vocabulary, for the
Yeah.
betterment of their vocabulary? What will you suggest for the beginners?
Yeah. I suggest for the beginner, for the better pronunciation, they should download an app. That app is VoCapture. In VoCapture app, you can get two facility, meaning as well as pronunciation.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
Yeah. After getting it,
also, yeah, I also want to suggest, um, to enhance our fluency, we should talk regularly, and talking to different people. It will also helpful for us.
yeah, you can say, you want to say that do it your habit.
Yeah.
Do
We have to
it
make
your
it.
habit. Yeah.
Yeah,
Like we eat regularly. We brush
yeah,
our teeth regularly. We have our bath regularly.
yeah,
On that way, make it habit to say anything through English regularly to anybody.
yeah, yeah.
Do it your habit.
Yeah, nothing can be accomplished unless we push ourselves. So no
Yeah,
matter how many, yeah, no matter how many movie you watch, no matter how many web series you watch, no matter how many videos you watch, but we need practice. We cannot learn
exactly.
any, we cannot learn anything without practice. So practice is important.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Exactly. Fantastic. I got the point. I got the point. Got your point. And I must say one thing, as from my point of view, use two or three words
yeah,
regular in
yeah,
your conversation,
yeah,
and it will be continued for 2 or 3 days. Because after using 2 or 3 words regularly for the 2 or 3 days, you can have the grab, or you can have the what I shall say, grip on those
yeah,
words,
yeah.
isn't it?
Right. Yeah, right.
I am, yeah, I am using this way until and unless I got the grip on those words.
Yeah.
I'm using this way. It's my
Yeah. If
personal
we,
opinion.
yeah, if we use Wada for 3 or 5 days, then it will be habitual for us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it will be in your mind,
Yeah, it will be fixed in mind.
fixed in mind. That's why when we are starting to talk anybody who in front of me, in the earlier case, you have seen your videos, you just started to stammering at the time of talking.
Yeah. Yeah.
But after having some conversation, you used to talk who in front of you. It's the
Yeah.
easiest way. It is the easiest way.
Yeah.
That's why I'm telling,
Yeah.
use 2 or 3 words for the 2 or 3 days regularly for the betterment of your vocabulary.
Yeah.
And I
Okay.
am also the learner, I am
Yeah.
also the learner in this platform, because we the people are only use the Bengali language in our courts
Yeah.
and in our surroundings. We haven't that or those platforms to speak each other
Yeah.
in English. That's why we're here.
Yeah.
And yeah, Muntu, tell me about your family members. What do your
Yeah.
father
In my
and the
family,
other?
yeah. In my family there are 5 members, and
Yeah.
my brother, including me. Yeah. And
What do you do, your
brother,
father?
yeah, my brother is doing business, and
Business.
yeah, he is elder. He is elder to me.
He said, you are younger.
Yeah, I am younger.
Everybody for you. Mama
Yeah,
हमको ये चाहिए, दे दो उसको. Yeah, fantastic.